Hello, is it me you're looking for? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to be preparing is a soup, a cabbage soup. It's very cold at this time of the year up until February. So what I'm going to do is prepare a few soup, and I'm going to use some ingredients that is not commonly used in soup in Jamaica. So that's what we're going to do. So here we have the cabbage, carrot, the light is very bright. We have potato, Irish potato, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil here. We have thyme, oregano, cumin, paprika, and we have chipotle, garlic, pimento, and onion. So today I'm mixing it a bit, always paying my nod to ingredients I use in Jamaica and ingredients I use here in Mexico. At the end of the video, you'll see the ingredients in the description box below. So the pot here, I'm gonna heat this. It's very cold, so I have on long sleeve today. So we're gonna go in with the oil, coconut oil. We're gonna go in with the coconut oil. And then, as this melts, I'm going to go in with the chipotle with seed and everything. It's spicy. Usually in Jamaica we use Scotch bonnet pepper. Here in Mexico we have variety of peppers. Different flavor depending on how it's dried, whether it's fresh or it's dry. So this is dry chipotle I'm using here, along with garlic, onion, and pimento. So we are gonna go in with this here, and we're just gonna gently mix this around until it's transparent and very aromatic. We have this stove here on medium. It's coming alive, and everybody's getting to know each other, So that's one of the reasons sometimes when we toast the herbs together and the spices, so that they mellow together, and bring out more flavor, get to know each other better, and build a strong relationship in the pot. Yes, so this is coming together nicely. So I only use 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 chipotle, half an onion, and a few pimento seeds, 3 garlics. I love garlic. You can use however much you so desire to. Ooh, this is coming along nicely. And we're gonna go in with the cabbage, which is a star of the show here. So I use half head of cabbage. Gonna mix this around too. This is not necessary, but I like to do this, to break it down a bit. And then, see, it's going down so fast. As I say, it's not necessary, but I like to do this. I like everybody to get to know each other. Then we're gonna go in with our carrots, onion, sweet Irish potato. Let everybody stay here. Then we're gonna go in. This is 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water. And then we're gonna go in with our thyme, Mexican oregano, cumin, and paprika. We're gonna put this here. Give it another stir. Give it another stir. And cover this. Let this go on a lazy simmer on medium heat, and then we cover it. And then We're gonna let this simmer for 45 minutes. We're gonna come back in 45 minutes and see what it looks like. All right, see you in 45 minutes. So welcome back. I have about 8 minutes remaining. Oopsie daisy. Smells good. Now what I'm gonna do is taste for salt and pepper. If it needs more pepper, we do add that to it. Ooh. So I'm gonna taste if this needs more salt and chili. If it does, we're gonna go ahead and add that in. So yeah. Need some more pepper. And a bit more salt here. Don't want to add too much. This is a very tasty, warming soup for this time of the year. And anytime you want to. But yeah, teas and soup I love a lot. This is almost ready. This is almost ready. I'm going for a plate. So this is a very quick, tasty, delicious soup with the underrated vegetable from the brassica family, which is the cabbage. And I'm going to show you many ways of preparing the cabbage, how we can cook it, jazz it up. This is a plant-based soup. There's no animal products in it, and I hope you like it. The ingredients will be in the description box below. When you prepare it, just let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. So this is a delicious winter soup you can make at home. It's very easy. 45 minutes, about 15 to 30 minutes prep time, and here we have